You think the dreamers would find the dreamers and the realist would find the realist. But more often than not, the opposite is true. You see, the dreamers need the realist to keep the dreamers from soaring too close to the sun. And the realists, well, without the dreamers, they might not ever get off the ground. Aaron and Angel are opposite in some ways, but there is one very important thing that they both have in common. They love each other. The Bible tells us that love is patient, love is kind, it keeps no record of wrongs, it always trusts and never fails. My prayer for you both, Aaron and Angel, is that your love will continue to grow and that you will have a lifetime of happiness together.
No matter where we were in our lives, we'd show up and show out. And we throw the best pity parties, y'all. It was called When Will It Be Me? And we would be ugly crying, belting out this one part. I want someone who loves me for me. And when will it be me? Wondering when it will be me, right? And as of today, on October 10, 2020, you don't have to ever wonder. And that's because of Aaron.
Angel, this is a celebration of welcoming you into the family, but you've already been a part of our family for quite a bit longer. Your free spirit makes you fun to be around, and your unique perspectives make you an awesome sister-in-law.
These two took me in, corrected me in my ways. I am so happy for you guys. Half of your friends became good friends of mine. We couldn't be more happy that you two have found each other. We love you both very much.
Aaron, in my absence, since I've left, thank you for being Angel's #1 fan and for always pushing her to do what she does best. You give her a confidence and filled her heart in a way that I never could. You showed up and gave yourself in such a way in a time in her life when I think she needed it the most. Thank you for seeing her the way that I see her, and thank you for loving her the way that I love her.
Angel, everything you put your hands to just flourishes and grows. And clearly that is translated to this relationship. Aaron is clearly so happy. It's just really amazing.
We are gathered here today in the presence of God's nature to celebrate a little thing called love. Every single one of us hold a special love in our heart for Aaron. Every single one of us hold a special love in our heart for Angel. And if I've ever seen two people meant to be together, it's these two right here.
all the love will somehow become yours.
With stars in their eyes, they dance in each other's hearts. Let's stand and dazzle them with applause as Mr. and Mrs. Aaron and Angelica Horsley